Later on in the
It's
broadcast.
called a tease.
Deep tease, yeah. We got very warm here weather in the forecast. It's definitely not going to feel like we would like October to feel around here for the week at least. It's 88 right now, feels like 90, east wind at 15 miles per hour. So you see these cumulus clouds drifting in, now mainly clear skies. We're going to have more of that tomorrow. High pressure over the southeastern U.S. This is going to continue to shove in more moisture to our atmosphere, so the humidity levels tomorrow and Wednesday are really going to climb. It's going to feel sticky here on Wednesday. There are some showers up to the north of here. Those are not going to be coming our way. And this is the feature we were showing you last week that's going to deliver a weak front here. It's now moving into the Pacific Northwest, and this will dive into the Great Lakes. And it's going to send, again, a weak front down here. It's not going to be one that brings in a lot cooler of a weather forecast, but it will shave a few degrees off the temperature. We may see a few showers on Thursday morning as it moves in, and then it stalls in the Gulf, which is going to act as a buffer from anything tropical that may try to get going down in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. But again, this front is not going to be one that really alters our weather a whole lot. Mid-90s Thursday, around 90 on Friday, and overnight lows staying close to 70 degrees. Now we're talking about that front with respect to possible development in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. The remnants of Julia are going to get into the Pacific Ocean this week, and there is a little possibility that that reorganizes in the Gulf of Mexico, but some of the upper atmosphere energy from this system also will break off from the remnant low, get into the southwestern Gulf of Mexico, and the Hurricane Center is giving that a 20% chance to develop over the next 5 days. But with that front coming in here on Thursday, I don't see that being an issue for anybody in Texas at this point. We're just going to be in for that warm and humid weather forecast, near 70 tomorrow morning, highs up near 90 in the afternoon, and we do that again on Wednesday. Wednesday is going to, I think, it's going to be very similar to the throes of summer with highs in the mid to low 90s. And the humidity levels, that's going to be the big change, because we're going to see those spike on Wednesday up to sweltering here on Tuesday, Thursday with that front coming through. They'll go back down a little bit, but it's, again, going to feel a lot more like summer here than the first parts of fall in South Texas for this week. Tonight, a few clouds, 70 the overnight low. It'll be mild and humid this evening. Tomorrow, near 90 under a mix of sun and clouds, a little bit more humidity and east to southeast winds, 7 to 17 miles per hour. On the waters, rip current risk going to be high on Gulf-facing beaches, minor coastal flooding also for Gulf of Mexico facing beaches, meaning the water could be up to the dunes in spots. On the water, bays will be choppy with an east breeze at 10 to 15 knots. And there's that front Thursday. Again, it's not going to give us a whole lot of relief with respect to temperatures, but it does look like it should give us drier weather on Friday, Saturday. Those are two big Jazz Fest days heading into the weekend, and then a few more showers look like they'll be possible into early next week. Leslie, Mike.